In July 2025, phone lovers have a lot to smile about. The biggest brands like Samsung, OnePlus, Nothing, and Vivo have launched new phones with exciting new features. If you're planning to upgrade your phone soon, or are just curious about what's hot right now, this video will break it down for you in the simplest way. One of the most talked about phones this month is the Nothing Phone 3. It looks very different from other phones because of its transparent back and glowing lights called the glyph interface. It has a strong processor, long battery life, and takes good pictures with its 3 cameras. It's also smooth when opening apps or playing games. People love how cool it looks, but some still think other phones take better photos. This is a great pick if you want a phone that feels new and different. Next up, OnePlus launched 2 new phones, the OnePlus Nord 5 and Nord CE5. These are mid-range phones, which means they give you great features without being too expensive. The Nord 5 has a bright screen, super fast charging, and a big battery. The Nord CE5 has a slightly smaller processor, but an even bigger battery, so it lasts really long on a single charge. People are excited because you get a lot for your money with these phones. Samsung is back with its new foldable phones, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7. The Fold 7 opens like a small tablet and has a huge screen inside, great for watching videos or multitasking. It's also lighter and thinner than before. It comes with a very clear camera and smart tools that help with writing, searching, and editing. The Z Flip 7 is smaller and folds like a makeup mirror, but still powerful. Many people love how compact it is and how stylish it looks. Over 200,000 people already pre-ordered them in some countries. Oppo also released the Reno 14 series this July. These phones come with very fast processors, AI camera features, and large batteries that charge super fast. They're perfect for people who love taking pictures or playing mobile games for long hours. Another company called AI Plus is making phones for people who want something affordable but still strong. These new phones come with large storage, big batteries, and are 5G ready. They're a great option for students and budget users. Vivo added 2 new phones this month too, the Vivo X200 FE and the X Fold 5. The X200 FE is great for people who want a small, powerful phone with good cameras. It's great for everyday use. The X Fold 5 is for those who want something fancy. It opens like a book and looks amazing. It's made to compete with Samsung's foldables and offers great battery life, smooth performance, and smart camera features. This July, phone brands are focusing more on smart features, long battery life, cool designs like foldable and transparent bodies, and better cameras. If you're buying a phone this year, now is a great time to explore what fits your needs best, whether it's a stylish flip phone, a phone for gaming, or one for taking amazing photos. Let us know in the comments which phone excites you most this month. And don't forget to subscribe to Spec Dossier for more tech updates made simple.